Is it worth it? That's why we're here today in Frederick to check out this beautiful home right behind me here. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and they are asking $700,000. It's been on the market a couple weeks. My buyers are on their way, and we're gonna go see. Is it worth it? And we'll start to the left with the living room and the dining room, which opens us up into the kitchen. Very pretty space. Lots of cabinets and counters. And it does have a nice pantry. The garage access is right there. First floor family room with a gas fireplace. Yeah, laundry's in here. And access to the 2-car garage. And it does have a nice sunroom just off the back of the kitchen. We got a busted tile and some busted grout, but overall, it's still a nice floor. So it opens up out to a nice deck. I like the space. Overlooking the backyard. Very nice and established. Let's see what else we got. Helps when I pick my feet up. And then we have a powder room there and a home office on the first floor. Let's head upstairs and go check that out. Upstairs now, a 2-story foyer. First bedroom here. Good size, tons of natural light. Good size closet. And the hall bath. Bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. Let's check out this master. Ooh, pretty. We've got vaulted ceilings. Lots of great space. This bathroom is enormous. Dual vanity, huge soaking tub, good sized shower, water closet over there, and a big walk-in closet. And we have an unfinished basement. Looks like it's roughed in for a half bath there. And space for an egress room here. Oh, what did they do to the floor? This looks kind of cool. If I can find a light switch, I'll turn it on. Let's go back over here. The old speed bag. There we go. Now we can see. So they just painted this on the floor. Looks pretty cool. And there's the space under the sunroom. Sump pump, and we have a gas furnace from 20 and a gas water heater also from 20. I'm reading that correctly. That's what that looks like. So definitely not a creepy basement. It is unfinished, but it's a really nice space. Oh, and there's the water shutoff right there, that line coming down. What did you think of this one? Pretty nice house. I think it's a little dated, but overall it's a great space, and I don't know. What are your thoughts? Is it worth it?